PBApro is AIM's graphical analysis, test, and simulation software that runs in Windows or Linux. Based on a modern Qt architecture, PBApro can handle much more than your basic analyzer needs while still providing the simplicity required to cover routine bus analyzer applications. PBApro allows you to monitor and simulate avionics bus data with no programming required, saving you time and money while guaranteeing success. The framework designer works out of the box with protocols such as MIL Standard 1553, MIL Standard 1760, ARINC 429, ARINC 664 or AFDX, Gigabit Ethernet, Fiber Channel, CAN bus, ARINC 825, and much more, making it a true universal test platform for all modern avionics data bus interfaces. Learn one tool to cover multiple applications. Don't see a protocol you need listed? Contact AIM to learn about adding support for third-party protocols, as has already been done for ARINC 629, for example. PBApro is modular, scalable, and customizable by the user to cover a wide range of applications in an extremely efficient manner. Standard displays for each avionics data bus protocol are easily accessible to monitor and simulate data via graphical menus in an intuitive, hierarchical graphical format. The designer component allows the developer to create graphical screens with panels and gadgets for display or simulation elements with no programming experience, simply by dragging and dropping widgets into panel containers. Runtime versions of PBApro are discounted to provide a configured solution to end users at a lower price point than the full development version with all the capabilities enabled. The runtime version can load and use pre-configured displays, but it can't edit them. This prevents unauthorized modifications and offers true configuration management completely under your control. PBApro can display live data in raw format or in engineering units through the Database Manager component, which essentially overlays scaled engineering units on the raw binary data to provide its real meaning. If you have an interface control document in digital form, a CSV file for example, then it can easily be imported into PBApro. Other formats like PDF files are readily translated into CSV format. PBApro includes full integration support for Python. Anything that can be done with a mouse and keyboard can be scripted via Python objects. What does this mean? It means Python scripts can be created to fully automate your application needs. The whole thing can be written in Python, or just certain tasks can be automated if you prefer. AIM has already developed many scripts that are optionally available for MIL Standard 1553 RT validation per the SAE AS 4111 and 4112 test plans, or for ARINC 664 network interface controller or switch validation. Contact AIM and tell us about your application needs, and we would be happy to schedule a free demo of PBApro.